This is great. Hobby Lobby's really starting to step up their game a little bit. They have a lot of these things in stock now, from the CA glue to pretty much every filament. We got the white, the black, the yellow, the gold, orange, pink, white, gray, blue, purple, green, red, more black PLA. You couldn't see these in stock there for a quick minute. Gray, pink, black, silk, PA silk, green silk, red, blue, and green, black, red, gold, red, glue, black, pink, my favorite, burnt titanium, candy black and silver, pink, yellow, blue, purple, red, yellow, green, purple, marble, and wood. That's what I'm coming after for, is the marble. And I might just try one of these plates they have out here now. It looks like they're $18.99, a reasonable price. And it has the spools, your digital caliper, needle files, the burring tool, filament storage bags, man, adhesive spray. Man, they're really stepping up their game here at Hobby Lobby, you guys. I just wish they'd figure out their pricing a little bit. I do think some of these filaments are too expensive, but I'm digging it. Which color is your favorite anyways? I know which color my favorite is, but my color of choice is the black pink. Just a beautiful color. I'd suggest anybody to go check that one out. I don't know about this red gold. Oh, TPU black. Ooh, I'm gonna get that one too. But I'm done shopping at Hobby Lobby today. I got a solid 60 bucks right here with a matter of a push of a button. But check out your Hobby Lobby. They're doing a really good job keeping this stuff in stock right now at mine. I'm in the Fort Wayne location, right over here by Jefferson Point, but awesome sauce. But thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Woo!